Hi everyone, welcome back to Plate on a Budget. Today we are making an amazing pork chop Marbella. Traditionally, it's chicken Marbella, but it can also be made with pork tenderloin or pork chops. Here we have 2 bone-in pork chops. Salt both sides well and set aside. In a bowl, add 1 cup of rosé or white wine. To that we add 1/4 a cup of capers with brine, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 bay leaves, 1/2 cup of Spanish pitted olives, and 1/2 cup of pitted prunes. Mix well. Now place the pork chops in a plastic Ziploc bag. And then pour in wine marinade. Zip it closed and leave it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. Remove the marinated pork chops from the fridge and place them into an oven-safe frying pan. Lightly brown on both sides, about 3 minutes per side. Now pour in the marinade mix and place into a preheated oven 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius. They'll take about 26 to 30 minutes. Halfway through, remove them from the oven and baste the meat with the marinade. This dish is incredible and a guaranteed crowd pleaser. We hope you liked this recipe and that you give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a Tuesday or Wednesday upload. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any suggestions or ideas for future videos. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.